Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I will show you how to stop WhatsApp call log from syncing with phone app on iPhone. So your WhatsApp calls no longer appear in your iPhone call history. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open settings on your iPhone. This is where you will find all the controls for your device and connected apps. Step 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. This section manages your iCloud and account settings. Step 3. Tap on iCloud. Here you can control which apps sync data to your iCloud account. Step 4. Tap See All under Apps using iCloud. This will show the complete list of apps that are connected to iCloud. Step 5. Tap iCloud Drive. This section manages which apps can store or sync data through iCloud Drive. Step 6. Tap on apps syncing to iCloud Drive and toggle off WhatsApp. This disconnects WhatsApp from iCloud Drive, stopping call log syncing. Step 7. Go back to settings, scroll down, tap phone and turn off WhatsApp from there as well. This ensures that your iPhone phone app no longer displays WhatsApp call logs. Step 8. Open the phone app on your iPhone. This is where your call history is stored. Step 9. Tap Edit, then tap Clear and choose Clear All History to remove existing WhatsApp call logs from your phone app. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful guides.